Hi there, it's Chris at Some Bloke Who Travels a Lot, and at the moment I'm making some videos because we're exploring luxury amenities kits, which I've been very lucky to get. This one came on a flight in March from Emirates Business Class. So this is what you get when you fly at the pointy end of the aeroplane, or at the top deck, or however they've configured their aeroplane. So let's have a peek inside, because if you subscribe to the channel, you can win this. And it's got a lovely razor. We have Bulgari Eau de Parfum Aftershave Balm. We have Eau de Parfum Lotion for your body. This is the men's kit, apparently. And also we have, he says, we have, again, some Eau de Parfum. We're going to smell lovely after this one, aren't we? So, we have some tissues. Was useful. We have a comb brush, perhaps not so useful. We have our toothbrush. Now that's sealed, so I know what's in there, but I'm not going to get it out because it's sealed. And I'm going to send this kit to one of my subscribers. In fact, by the time you're probably watching this video, this kit will have gone to somebody because it's going out at 500 subscribers. Some shaving foam to go with our thing, and some deodorant so we smell nice. And it all comes in this really nice wash bag, which is fantastic. So do check out the channel. Up on the screen you'll see a link to some more amenities kits. I do travel a lot and I give them all away to my subscribers. This one's going out at 500, which my channel's just got getting to 490 today, I think. And then I'm giving another one, same kit, different bag, same stuff inside. That's going out at 750. I've got a first class British Airways going out at 1,000. I have a business and traveller plus one that's a combined prize. It's going out at 1,500, 1,750, something like that. And all you have to do is subscribe to the channel. So do check it out. Do subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. Take care now. Happy travels.